So we got this in today from Myles Bautista, the OG from Rev Hard. So he saw us talking about what we're building. We're gonna build it. He said, "Hey, look, I got one of these," and he sent us one. So I want to say big shout out, big thank you for this.
Shout out to Rev Hard.
Yep. So the way that this yeah, the way that this is gonna go is we needed a air to water intercooler. So this pipe is gonna come out. Let me see. Can you take this?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. All right. Oh yeah. Oh. Ready?
There you go.
So he also made this piece for us when we were in Cali. We needed someone to make this because we changed out the manifold.
Yeah.
And
The moment he came through
big time.
Like a champ.
So the way that this is going to be done is okay.
Gotta figure out an angle.
Yep. So this is going to sit. So it's going to be water to air. It's going to be tight, but I think we could do it. We might have to move this, but it's going to sit somewhere like maybe like this. Something like this. Okay.
Probably more this side.
What's that?
Oh, there's nothing more in the back.
Yeah, so the way it's gonna sit something like this. We might have to, yeah, we definitely gonna have to take this off right here. So it's gonna sit something like this, and then we're gonna build this piece here, coming down like this in billet. So that's gonna clamp on like this and billet here, yeah.
and cap.
So here, on this same thing here, we're gonna have to build something here coming out this way like
Nice
this.
angle, yeah.
Yep, that gets it right into there, like so. And then here, we're gonna build the same thing here for the coolant on this side and this side, like a real. So that's why we might have to move this because it's gonna be really close.
Anyway,
Yeah.
unless you tilt it more, yeah, like that.
I wonder if we could tilt it more this way. Oh, we might be able to do it this way, like this.
Probably.
Yeah, we might be able to do it like this, but it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be super tight.
It looks like a nice piece, man. Looks solid.
Yeah, solid.
Big ups again to
Maybe
Rev
like,
Hard.
or even like this. Maybe like this. Bring it out more this way, like this. And just this one is just gonna have to go somehow like this.
Like a little
Yeah,
S.
yeah, kind of like an S.
Alright, cool. There you have it, guys. We got our air to water in the cooler. Big thanks to Rev Hard crew.
Yeah, that will work. Wait, what about this way? What?
That'd be pretty gnarly.
Might work this way, like this. Okay, work this way. Too tight. Too tight. Yeah, it's gotta be tight. So, but I think we can manage. If anything, we might have to change out the manifold
Okay. Alright, cool.
to bring it. You know, remake the manifold, maybe.